All right. I want to hear about my fall altar. What can I do?
Fall altar, what can you do? Well, okay. And I know you were like, yours are great. And I'm like, I feel like mine are chaotic. And
Oh,
what I
no.
do, honestly, y'all,
Hmm.
is I find things that feel, for this time, what feels autumnal to you, right?
Right.
What feels good? Do you have an altar cloth? You don't have to. Is it a
Mm-hmm.
cute napkin that you wanted to use instead? Put that out. Like, we
Mm-hmm.
don't have to get like, you don't have to be super aesthetic fancy unless you want to be,
Right.
right? And I know that that used to hold me back. I'd see gorgeous altars like
Yeah.
online and be like, my altar's never gonna look like that, so I don't need to mess with it. Like, don't do
Oh,
that. Okay.
no, no.
So, put what you like. I usually put like some acorns, some pine cones, things that I
Mm,
find while I'm out walking around or hiking or in the backyard. Or like I have a cute pumpkin like votive holder from the
cute.
Dollar Tree that I
Yep.
was like, y'all know I have too many pumpkins in my life and I don't always put them away all year. Some of them
Why?
stay because
It's
they're
fine.
cute.
They're
So
adorable. They bring you joy. They
put
bring
out,
us joy.
yes, exactly. So
Hmm.
just put out what feels important to you. I know mine's going to be like lots of like oranges, reds, like
Hmm.
those warm leaf colors.
Yeah.
I'll have a candle out, and sometimes you just feel it's whatever feels right
Yeah.
for you, you
Yeah.
know?